A team of experts led by the World Health Organization left for Beijing to help investigate China's coronavirus epidemic as the death toll climbed to 908 in the mainland, surpassing the number of fatalities of the SARS epidemic of 2002-2003. The total number of cases so far is 40,171 and the infection has spread to at least 27 countries. Testing aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship in Japan has found 60 more confirmed cases of coronavirus, according to media reports. That takes the number of coronavirus cases on the ship docked in Yokohama, south of Tokyo, to 130. The Diamond Princess was placed on a 2-week quarantine on arriving at Yokohama on February 3 after a man who disembarked in Hong Kong was diagnosed with the virus. On the third day, 10 more teachers today joined the indefinite relay hunger strike launched by FEGOCTA at DM College Multipurpose Hall, Imphal. Federation of Government College Teachers Association is on a ceasewag and relay hunger strike to push for demand of 7th UGC pay and regulations 2018. 45th College Week 2019-20 of DM College of Teacher Education was held today at the college campus. The function was organized by Trainee Union of DM College of Teacher Education. Indigenous People Protection Committee AIPPC and Krishak Mukti Sangram Samiti Kashar District Committee staged a sit-in protest at Mahasadak Point of Silchar, Assam against Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 today. Pune is all set to host the 5th Northeast Film Festival 2020, Fragrances from Northeast. The inaugural function will take place at NFAI Law College Road, Pune on February 14. Stage is set for Northeast Film Festival in Pune, showcasing cinematic talents from various regions of the Northeast. The festival will feature 16 films of the region. A 2-week certificate course on book publishing was held today at the seminar hall of Department of Commerce, Manipur University, Kanchipur. It was organized by National Book Trust, MHRD, Government of India, in collaboration with Department of Commerce, Manipur University. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar Singh also attended the opening function. Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad elected its new office bearers for the term 2020-21, and the oath-taking ceremony was held at the Arts Faculty of Delhi University yesterday. Bishnupur Police Commando arrested a woman overground worker of the proscribed KCPN. Acting on a tip-off, the team, including women police, arrested 42-year-old Mutum Roma, alias Naubi Chanu of Tronglaubi Awang Lekai, Bishnupur district. A cadre belonging to the band UNLF was arrested at Thanga Chinglakthong in Bishnupur district by security forces last evening at around 4. The arrested has been identified as 35-year-old Haubijam Bisheshwar Singh, son of late Babu Singh of Thanga, Samukol Lekai. Despite the center's heightened awareness program to control women and child-related issues, the incident related to crime against women and girls are increasingly occurring in the state on a daily basis. On January 30 last, an 8-year-old girl from Salan Konjin, Ward No. 5 under Thaubak Chau Ikhai Police Station in Bishnupur district was allegedly sexually assaulted by a 40-year-old man named Khetri Mayum Tiken Singh of Thaubak Chau Ikhai Maning Lekai. In connection to the incident, a public meeting was held at the locality community hall yesterday wherein the locals decided to ostracize Tiken from the locality. Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju today made it clear that no Indian player was given permission to travel to Pakistan to participate in the World Kabaddi Championship after a squad was seen arriving in Lahore yesterday. Earlier, the administrator of Amateur Kabaddi Federation of India, Justice Retired P.S. Garg, also said that the national body has not cleared any such team. Bangladesh clinched their maiden Under-19 World Cup title after defeating 4-time champion India in a thrilling contest yesterday. But the final showdown ended in an unpleasant note as players from the two teams engaged in an altercation after the first-time finalists emerged victorious.